Why are some startups able to explode in growth while others sputter out? Rocket. It often comes down to their ability to scale their operations efficiently, and today, we're diving into a powerful tool that can help you do just that, Tide. Now, I'm not talking about the laundry detergent. I'm talking about Tide Business Banking, a service specifically designed to simplify the financial management for small businesses and startups. In the fast-paced world of startups, time is your most precious resource, and wasted time on banking and accounting is a killer. Tide isn't just a bank account, it's an all-in-one financial toolkit that can significantly accelerate your startup's growth by optimizing three critical areas: speed of setup, expense management, and invoicing and payments. 1. Speed and simplicity of setup. When you're ready to launch, you can't afford to wait weeks for a business bank account. Tide lets you open an account quickly and entirely online, often in minutes. This speed is crucial. Getting your business finances legally separated and running smoothly from day one means you can immediately focus on sales and product development instead of paperwork. Tide integrates seamlessly with major accounting software, like Xero and QuickBooks. This simple integration saves your team countless hours by automating the flow of transaction data directly into your books. Time saved on manual data entry is time gained for strategic work, a fundamental principle of rapid scaling. 2. Streamlined expense management. As your team and operations grow, controlling costs becomes complex. Unmanaged expenses can bleed your budget dry. Tide offers expense cards for your team members, allowing you to set spending limits and keep track of every pound spent in real time. But the real game changer is the receipt capture feature. Your team can simply snap a photo of a receipt within the app, add a quick note, and it's instantly matched to the transaction. This eliminates the dreaded monthly scramble for lost receipts and ensures your accounts are always audit-ready. Clean, real-time data gives you the visibility needed to make fast, informed decisions about where to invest more and where to cut back. 3. Fast invoicing and payments. Cash flow is the lifeblood of any scaling startup. Delays in getting paid can halt your growth. Tide's platform makes creating professional invoices simple and fast. You can customize them with your branding and send them directly from the app. Crucially, the system helps you track outstanding payments and even sends polite, automated reminders to clients. The faster you invoice and collect, the healthier your cash flow, and the more capital you have to pour back into marketing, hiring, and product improvements. By automating your banking, expenses, and invoicing, Tide essentially frees up your financial and operations teams, or you, if you're a solo founder, to focus on building and selling. It removes the administrative friction that typically slows down a growing business. Think of Tide as the financial scaffolding that lets you build your startup structure higher, faster, and more securely. Use its simplicity to your advantage, ditch the spreadsheets, and focus on the innovative work that will truly drive your explosive growth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.